Tired of the same old boring Ubuntu look? Let's dive into how to revamp your Ubuntu desktop, starting with the basics: themes, icons, and fonts. First, locate Settings, then Appearance. Here, you'll find a selection of themes pre-installed. Try a few out to see which one catches your eye, instantly changing the overall aesthetic. Now, let's tweak the icons. Explore icon tags online and search for Ubuntu icon themes and download your favorite. Find the appearance settings where you previously were and look for the icon section. Simply choose your downloaded icon theme from the drop-down menu, right under the theme tab. Finally, let's personalize the font. Explore the fonts options in the appearance section to play around with font styles. You can change the font size and choose what's best for your viewing preference. You can also fine-tune the size of your desktop icons. Find the icon size section for any changes. But we are not done yet. Let's explore advanced customization with utilities. Consider installing tools like GNOME Tweaks for a broader range of options, enabling you to adjust window behaviors, expand accessibility, and make more changes to icons. You can install apps like GNOME Tweaks by simply searching it up on the Software Center and downloading it. Using these tools, you can take your customization to the next level. Personalizing your Ubuntu desktop isn't just about looks. It's about creating a workspace you love.